Hello, dear students of class 4th. Once again, welcome back in your St. Mary's YouTube video channel in your computer classes. So, till now, we have completed our co curricular activity number first of page number 54 till part B. Answer the following questions in brief. Till here, we have completed. If your work is not completed, so first of all, you have to complete your work, go through the previous videos, and then watch this video. Okay, so today we are going to do the exercise remaining part of our page number 54. If you remember, then this C, D and E part is given for your homework, and I hope you have completed. Earlier it was given. Yes, have you remembered? Yes, part number C, D and E was given for your homework, and hope you have completed. Mostly students have completed, so now you can check, and if you haven't completed till now, then you can complete it. So you can see, first of all, fill in the blanks with the appropriate words given in the box. So here first one is dash is used to play games on our computer. So what is used to play games? Yes, joystick. So first of all, write joystick here. Number is also written 1. Then the dash memory is used to store data for a long time. For a long time means permanently. If we have to store the data, then in which memory we have to keep it? Yes, in our secondary memory. Now third one, MS Windows control all activities related to dash in a computer. MS Windows operating, okay, related to operation in a computer. MS Windows control all the activities related to operation in a computer. Then our fourth and last question of fill-ups is dash tool is used to select a portion of a screen to save or share an image. What is it? Snipping. Okay. So 2, 4, 1, 3 is your numbering. Again, I am telling you, first answer is joystick. Second, secondary. Third, operation. Then fourth, snipping. Okay. Now, coming towards our D part, identify the following pictures and write their names. 3 pictures are given here. So first of all, we can see easily it is joystick. In explanation also, we told you it is a joystick and it is used to play games on a computer. Okay. Then secondly, it is USB. It is a storage device, secondary storage device in which is used to store data for a long time or permanently. It is USB. Then third one is sound recorder. Okay, it is written on it also. It is a sound recorder. You can see picture is not clear, I think. If you will zoom this, then you can able to see in your book it is clearly written on the picture also. It is a sound recorder. Understood? Completed. Now our next part is E part. The following are the devices of a computer. Categorize them appropriately. We have to divide them according to input, output, processing, as well as the storage devices. Okay. So here are the options given here. This is the list of the computer devices, and we have to categorize them accordingly according to these 4 devices. So first of all, we will see input devices. So in these, which are input devices, CU is not input device. Okay, this is processing device. Then monitor, no. Joystick, first of all write joystick. Then mouse is input device and keyboard is input device. Okay, joystick, mouse and keyboard. Hope you have completed. Now coming towards our second part, output devices. I will change the color. Yes. Now output devices are monitor, then speaker, then printer. Okay. Now processing devices, first of all write the output devices: monitor, speaker and printer. Now processing devices are CU, MU and ALU. These are the three parts of CPU. If you remember it, I told you CU, LU and AMU. Control unit, memory unit and arithmetic logical unit are three parts of CPU which are processing devices. Now our last one is storage devices. Storage devices are remaining one: RAM, ROM and CD. Read only memory, random access memory and compact disk. Okay, you have to complete them accordingly. Storage devices are by the yellow pen. Okay, processing devices are of blue, output devices by black and input devices by red. Okay, so this is your work. Complete it. Then what is your homework? Homework is to complete your work and learn it. Okay, neatly you have to complete your work and no spelling mistake should be there. Many of yours spellings as well as writing is not up to mark. You have to do your work neatly, cleanly and seriously you have to do. Okay, don't use overwriting. Till then complete your work and learn it.